Mouse has been throwing up. She gets this, almost like a dry, like a, and then she'll throw up. You know, not the backward sneeze. You know, and then type deal. It's a real dry. And she's been doing it for about 2 days. I took her to the vet yesterday, and he gave her some crap that didn't do it nothing.